Hey, what is up, you beautiful people? In this video, I'm going to show you how I record my stuff. I will show you my camera and setup that I'm using to create this kind of YouTube video, and what are the softwares I use and how I go through it, right? I have already published a couple of videos about how do I use ChatGPT for my YouTube content creation, but I've never showed you how I record my videos, right? So I'll be using my phone as well, phone camera, to go ahead and create this thing. Give me a minute. All right, so let's go. Let's look at the hardwares first, right? So here I am talking on the phone. I'm using this Shure mic. I don't remember the exact name. I think it's called Shure MV7 or something. And what this does is it will, the audio is pretty phenomenal here, right? So it's one of the best mics out there in the world. And I use this particular setup. This is called the Rode Arm, this one, where, this listens to me like crazy. So I'll just show you how it goes, right? So if I want to do like this, it will stay like this. It will not budge from here. If I do this, it will stay like this. So it listens to me pretty well. And this is basically my camera setup. And to record my video, I use this free software called as OBS. If you can see, give me a minute. This is the one. OBS, it's completely free that you can use and don't have to pay any money to people. So here you can see my screen, and you can add multiple layers. If I want to share my screen, I can share my screen right away. If I want to add a small portion of my camera itself, it comes like this, and I can show whatever I am doing with my screen. It will be basically screen recorded, right? And I can use this layer to turn it on. So this is completely OBS. Apart from this, I use certain tools. Again, I just use free tools. I don't use any paid tools. So if I were to show you my music system, video editing system, I use this tool called as CapCut. It's not available in India, but I have downloaded it using a VPN. So let's say it's like a phenomenal tool out there. So let's say why I love it is because it has a very unique feature of merging videos and audios like that. So let's say this is the shorts that I have created, and now I don't know how to merge this video and audio at the right places, right? I don't want the video audio problem, right? So I will select both, right click, sync video to sound, and it automatically figures out which syncing should go where, and it helps me get the job done. See? Now, if I reduce this, you'll see very clear. More exploratory in nature. Employees in general are very, lizard-ish in nature. So this is what this this feature is. Now I can go ahead and zoom in here, and I can cut some part of it to actually sync. Okay. Yeah? Now I'll just take it to the extreme left so that the video is synced, right? Now what this particular file does, it automatically creates subtitles for me. So if I go to text right here, click on auto caption, select my language, click on create, we are done. Now you can see it automatically transcribes, but it doesn't look that great. It is very small. I can select the entire caption from here. Font, I will change to a font that I'm using called Marvin. I love this font for some reason. And then we have preset styles. So let's say yellow, right? And you see these are nice big fonts. I can change the font size to this, which is easier to read. Now what I will do is I can change a little bit of thing. So there is something called a stroke. I don't want a thick stroke. I'll reduce it to a little bit. I can also add a little bit of shadow behind this caption, and now we are done. So, all right, so this is pretty much done. So now I have both audio video synced, and I have this thing also created. And by the way, this is taken from my phone camera, or my vlogging camera. There's another camera that we have. In that case, I need to sync audio and video, but for a video like this, where audio is automatically getting recorded, and along with the video, especially from the laptop camera, I don't need to go ahead and sync audio video automatically, but I can simply add subtitles and cut at the right places, and we are pretty much done. So this is my entire setup. For some reason my glasses are tilted. Yeah, anyways, so this is pretty much how I record my videos. For everyone who is watching, I hope it helps, and you can create your own videos as well, because if you are an agency or a service provider, I use my videos a lot to nurture my current leads. So anytime somebody books a call with me, I don't let them go if they don't buy, right? So I create bunch of videos on YouTube, and just to follow up, I never ask them for their their approval on the payment or something. I simply send them a valuable resource. So let's say tomorrow I'll create how to create write agency proposals. I'll just send them, hey man, just created a quick video on how to create agency proposal. Hope this helps. I just simply send them, because then I'll be giving a lot of value without asking for any money from them. And these people will definitely reciprocate, saying that, you know what, this guy is giving me more value than what I'm paying for the other agency. I should come here. So that helps a lot, right? So I hope this video also helps you in that regard with creating videos. And I do recommend having a great webcam. So right now I'm using MacBook Pro M2 Pro 14-inch. And the webcam is pretty good, like 1080 pixels webcam it has. So that's why the normally webcam cameras are thoda blurry, but this is like very high quality. So I can create recordings from right here. I don't have to like set up a camera separately, which it's okay. The quality is good, but this is just easy to create content, and I can create content at a faster rate, right? So yeah, I hope that helps, and if it helped, then do leave a comment. And if you can subscribe to my channel, then it would mean a world to me, because I will be creating a lot of this content, value content in future, free courses coming up in this channel to help you out. So thank you very much.